So the guys at Ugoos sent me their latest Android TV box, the Ugoos SK1, which is packed with a lot of features, including support for 8K footage. Now the SK1 is currently retailing for around $210 on AliExpress. So let's unbox it. For starters, it comes in a black and blue box. On the front are some of the features it supports. On the sides is the SK1 branding. Flipping the box over, we see the SK1 specs, more on that later. On the side, we see some of the box contents. So let's open the SK1 TV box. The first thing you see when you open the box is the SK1 Android TV box itself. First impressions, this is a beautiful TV box. There's a bit of weight to it, and the black and blue gradient is very nice. Turning the SK1 over, we see the air vents. Now the SK1 doesn't have any fans for cooling. It relies on its massive heatsink. As you can see, it doesn't come with external antennas as well. Everything is enclosed, which is ideal. Now, let's see what else comes in the box. There's an instruction manual in color, nice touch. There's a power adapter with a fairly long cable. There's a very thick HDMI cable which supports 8K transmission. It's actually written 8K on the cable, in case you're in doubt. Lastly is the Ugoos remote, which works with both infrared and Bluetooth. It has an inbuilt voice control, and it also works as an air mouse. Now let's take a look at the SK1 Android TV box. As stated earlier, the device is packed with loads of features. But let's first remove the plastics. Now, on the front of the box are some of the features supported by the SK1, including Dolby Vision and Atmos, DTS and HDMI 8K. Now, looking at the I/O at the back, there's a USB 3.0 port, a USB 2.0 port, an Ethernet port. The SK1 also comes with Wi-Fi 6 support, by the way, an HDMI port, SPDIF out and aux out. Here's a full list of specs for the Ugoos SK1 Android TV box. It has the Amlogic S928XK SoC, a Mali G57 GPU, 8 gigs of DDR4 memory, and 128 gigs of eMMC flash memory, and it is running Android 11, with support for a host of video and audio codecs, including AV1. The SK1 also has Widevine L1 support, but more on that in the full review. You can pause the video to read the full list of specs. Now, if you have any questions you would like me to answer in the full review, which is coming soon, leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, so that you'll be notified when I post the full review. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.